Friends, hello everyone. Today we will knit together with you this fashionable hat. Knit, she will be easy and fast. Everything as we love you. So let's go. For knitting a basic hat, we will need 1 spool of yarn, 200 gram 80 minin. I will knit her with circular needles 12 millimeter. And you can still use additional spokes, also 12 millimeter. We start knitting with the ear. For this, we need to type on the spoke. 8 loops. Type in the most usual way. Nothing complicated here. I think that if you decide on such a hat, then you already know how gaining loops. So we gained. Now we will knit with handkerchief knitting, face loops in each row. You can tie a knot here till we have nothing dissolved. First loop edge we shoot. Further tie, face loops. Last edge. The loop we will always tie where? Deploy knitting. And in this row we will have 2 increments. First edge we took off. Now there is a raise. This is how she gets tied. Further knit. Face loops. And there will be 1 increase at the end of the row. Here we tie her. And the last edge where? All 2 increments we did in this row. Now we will tie 9 more rows. Handkerchief viscous without increments. Just facial loops in every row. First and last loop we have edge. And here I tied the first ear. This is how it looks. The bottom is a little rounded. Now, cut off the floss and put this ear away. Let's start knitting the second ear. You can use others for this. Additional spokes. Either transfer the first ear loops to the holder and use circular spokes. You could also knit 2 ears on 1 spokes at the same time. And here I definitely also tied the second ear. This is how they look the same. And now we need to combine these 2 ears. How we unite? Tie the first ear, carrying with extra spokes on circular. Finish to the end. Here we will type 8 additional loops per spoke. In this place we will have back of cap. This is how throwing loops. We are gaining 8 loops. And then knit the second ear. Here you can pull the thread. Knit with face loops. Handkerchief viscous. And here are the 2 ears we have united. That's how it looks. Knit now another 5 rows of handkerchief viscous, without additions, in a straight line. Here are these ears and here are these typed loops. Tied 5 rows, and this is how it looks. Now cut the thread and postpone. Starting to knit the visor. Type 12 loops and tie 7 rows. Handkerchief viscous, face loops in each row. First and last loop's edge. Here I tied 7 rows. Such a visor I got. Now I will be joining. It's to our basic knitting. Tying first. Visor loops. Transferring them to other spokes. Then, starting to tie. First ear loops. And pay attention. That visor we tied with face loops. And starting with this ear, we knit wear loops. TM. All ear loops. All loops. Back of cap. And all the second ear loops. Next, the whole cap will knit. Wear loops only. And here we are almost reaching the visor. Lock the loops in the ring. Tie the visor with wear loops. And now, between visor and first ear, we will make diminutions depending on what is your head size. I will make 3 diminutions here. Tying 2 loops together 3 times. Here is the first diminution. Here we have the second diminution. Here we will deploy 1 loop to the loops looked one way. Tie 2 loops together. And here we have the third diminution. Also tying 2 loops together. Further knit with wear loops. To that moment, where do we have a visor? In contact with the second ear, there we will also do 3 diminutions. Originally, after joining visor ears, here's this back piece. We got 40 loops on the spokes. And after we make diminutions, 3 subtractions from one side, 3 diminishes with another. We will succeed on the spokes. 34 loops. Here I have reached that point where will we make diminutions, and also are doing 3 diminutions knitting 2 loops together. Here we have the first diminution. Second reduction. And third diminution. Turns out on spokes. 34 loops. If you have a very big head, can do 2 decreases each, on each side, then there will be 36 songs on the spokes. If straight very big head, then you can do 1 reduction. And on. Count the amount of Peter. Which did you get? I have 34 of them. And I'll keep knitting. Wear loops. My cap, as long as the height. Beanies will not become 19 centimeter. And here I tied, let's show where to measure from that place. Where does the visor dock with the ear? To the top, it turns out 19 centimeters. That's the length we need. Now we will make diminutions, till we have smoothly, on the top of the hat rounded. Make 1 diminution. Where does the visor and 1 diminution start? Where does the visor end? Tying 2 loops together, and also do 2 declines here and here, where the ear docks, the back part, caps, and where the back docks with the second ear. Reach the place. Where does our visor start? Tie 2 loops together. Further knit with wear loops. And then again reach the place. Where does our visor dock with the second ear? Tie 2 loops together. Further knit with wear loops. Until then, where do we run out of earbuds? And docks with the back. We will do there too, diminishing by tying 2 loops together. Made a diminution. Knit further wear loops. Until the next ear. And they're also doing 1 diminution. And here's another 1 diminution. Turns out in this row we did 4 diminutions. Next row we will tie without diminution. Just wear loops in a circle. The beanie is starting to narrow. For convenience, you can pull the extra fishing line between loops. And that's how to knit in a circle. In the next row, we also do 4 diminutions. At the beginning of the visor, then at the end of the visor, at the end of first ear, and at the beginning of second ear. Only 4 diminishes. Must be done in this row. And then we tie another 1 row without diminishing. Let's see. What did you and I get? Here the beanie started to round up on the top. Measure cap height. It turns out about 20 senin. This height is enough for us. Now all the loops we will tie 2 loops together. This way. 2 together where? 2 together where? So we will reduce the number of loops in 2 times. And let's last row we tie. Just wear loops without diminution. Cut the thread in her case into a needle. And now, through the loops we thread this thread. Pull the top. And stitch. Sew just stitches. 2-3 times. Then bring the thread to the wrong side. And there we fix, making a snap, and hide the ponytail. Now we need to sew the visor. This is how we bend it, and then sew with a needle thread. Make sure the visor is sewn exactly. Can see how the row is located and along the row. Here's this top sew. All the visor sewn and then hide all the strings. Such a beanie we got. If you wish, you can decorate it with a fringe. Now I will show you how to do it. Cut many strings of the same length. And like this, 1 by 1, we push through the loop. And tie a knot. When you do everything, and then take scissors trim. To those strings are the same length. And to get the effect, first you can fluff these strings. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. I hope he was useful for you.